What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate bread and eggs.
What did you drink in the morning?
I drank tea.
Where do you usually have breakfast?
I eat in the kitchen.
Do you cook your own food?
Sometimes I cook. Sometimes my mother cooks.
What time do you go to work?
I leave home at 9.
Do you walk to work?
No, I take the bus.
How long does the bus take?
It takes 20 minutes.
Where do you sit on the bus?
I like to sit near the window.
Do you listen to music on the way?
Yes, I listen to music on my phone.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Do you meet friends on the bus?
Sometimes I meet a neighbor.
What time do you reach the office?
I reach at 9:30.